It was really interesting. WRVA had the auction last year, and eShield was one of the companies that had put in a package to be bid on. We had heard about eShield on the radio with Richard McCann and everything, and knew it was a pretty good product. So my wife put in a bid and really didn't even think she was going to get it, but fortunately she got the bid and got a really nice package out of it. eShield's even being nice, and they're going to install a gutter monster to protect the gutters in addition to the package that we bid on. The blown-in insulation, extra insulation for the attic for bringing it up to better standards than what the contractor had done, along with the eShield protection in the roof to keep out the cold in the wintertime and the heat in the summer. We are looking to cut energy bills and have a much more energy efficient home. All right. Oh, it looks nice. It's actually warm in here already. Looks really good. It's amazing.